In this video, we're going to be looking at the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is ultimately completing the square. Alright, and what it looks like is this: x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Okay, I don't know what happened there. So that's 4ac over 2a. And this will solve any quadratic equation. So if we have x squared minus 2x take 2 equals 0, we can use the quadratic formula to solve this. So what we have is, well, a will equal 1, because there's nothing in front of the x squared, so that's 1. B is equal to negative 2. C is also equal to negative 2. So what we do is just using algebraic substitution, we sub it in. So x equals negative 2 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is going to be negative 2 squared, take 4 times 1 times negative 2. We're just substituting it in because it's 4ac, 4 times a, which is 1, c, which is negative 2, over 2a, which is 1. So it's just direct substitution. So x equals, you can use the quadratic formula to solve and find any values for x, even ones that are factorizable will help you. So if you're ever in doubt, you can always use the quadratic formula. Negative 2 is 2. Plus or minus, now negative 2 squared is 4. Take 4 times 1, which is negative 4, times negative 2, so that becomes negative is positive, so that's positive 8 over 2. So let's go here. So x equals 2 plus or minus the square root of 12 over 2. Now we're not finished there. We can solve the square root of 12 using our surd rules. So x equals 2 plus or minus, now 12 is the square root of 4 times the square root of 3 over 2. X equals 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 over 2. Now, in this case, we've got 2 plus or minus 2 root 3. The 2 will cancel both the 2's, so we're left with 1 plus or minus root 3. So that equals, so x equals, we get two solutions because it is a quadratic, 1 plus root 3 and 1 take root 3. And there are our answers, because the 2 will cancel those two 2's out, because technically this is written as 2 over 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 over 2. So that 2 cancels that, cancels that. So our answer is equal to x plus root 3 and x minus root 3. Okay, and that's ultimately completing the square, but we use the quadratic formula.